There was no...
Moin moin and welcome. In this video we're gonna install some cylinder head gaskets on my Trabant. First we have to remove the bowden drive for the gas pedal. To remove the tins around the cylinder. You notice there's only one spark plug inside still. That's cause I screwed in one spark plug kinda crooked, and that's why we do this in the first place. Now I just remove the spark plug and remove the cylinder head bolts. So now it's time to see what's actually in there. And you can see I'm waiting, I'm searching, but yeah, I'm not finding something.
There was no...
Yes, past me.
What?
There were no cylinder head gaskets installed at all, so I was kinda baffled at that. And that's when I decided to just move on. Of course I had to take a look at the cylinder walls while I have the heads off, and they look quite fine. But as you can see, there's a lot of carbon buildup on the cylinders that we will now tackle with some acetone and the wire brush. As you can see, the buildup is quite thick, so let's speed this up for you a bit. More acetone, more scrubbing. Okay, that should be enough scrubbing. Let's move on to the other piston. And now we do the same for the other piston. Also, yeah, there was this random guy just asking me if I learned what I do, so I translated it and put subtitles under the video for you.
Moin. Hast du das gelernt oder so?
Hä?
Hast du das gelernt? Hast du das gelernt?
Ich habe IT gelernt. Computer.
Selber. Okay.
Ja.
Here's a closer look at the cylinder walls. Of course, we're gonna use the old cylinder head. And there they finally are, the cylinder head gaskets. Yes, I know, it's a revelation, right? And on goes the cylinder head. After that you have to add the bolts. First we're gonna screw in all the nuts. And then we're gonna torque them down in a cross pattern with the torque wrench. Now that we're done with this side, we're gonna install the cylinder head gasket on the other side too. And the sparkling clean new cylinder head. Same here again. Add the washers. Add the nuts. And then tightening them first. And torquing them down in a cross-hatch pattern. On this side there was the added fun that one of the nuts was 16 while the other being 17, so I had to switch around the sockets all the time. Now we just reverse all of it and put the tin back on. Now we add some 2-stroke oil cause of the acetone. We don't want a stuck piston. And finally I can screw in the spark plug, this time straight. There it is, the final piece. Now I just have to secure it with the springs. And that's it. All done. And that's how to replace / install cylinder head gaskets on a Trabant 601. See you in the next video.